Good morning. I hope your day starts with something positive. How have you been feeling these days? I'm doing my best to stay focused. Today feels like a good day to make progress. I woke up early so I could have a calmer morning. Let me know if there's anything you need from me. I'll handle this as soon as I finish what I'm doing. I'm glad we're on the same page. I'm still learning, but I'm getting better every day. Could you speak a little more slowly? I want to understand you better. I didn't quite catch that. Could you repeat it? Thanks for explaining. That really helped. I'll try to express it more clearly. Let's talk through the problem step by step. Your idea makes sense. Let's explore it more. I think we can find a better way to handle this. I understand what you mean. Give me a moment. I'm thinking it through. I appreciate your patience. I'm trying to stay relaxed, even when things get busy. Let's take a short break so we can come back fresh. I'll do my best to finish this on time. It might take a little longer, but I'll make sure it's done well. Thanks for trusting me with this. I really appreciate your support. You can rely on me if you need help. Let's keep moving forward, one step at a time. I'm learning to stay calm even when things don't go as planned. Sometimes I need a quiet moment to reset my mind. I'm trying to develop better habits every day. I don't need everything to be perfect. I just need to keep improving. I'll take responsibility for my part. Let's focus on what we can do right now. I know it's challenging, but we can figure it out. I appreciate honest feedback. It helps me grow. I'm willing to try a different approach if it works better. Let me check and get back to you soon. If you're unsure, we can look at it together. I'll explain it in a simpler way. Here's what I understand so far. Feel free to ask me anything. That's a good question. Let's break it down. I'm happy to help anytime. Let's make this easier for both of us. Thanks for staying with me until the end.